शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। स वेलावप्रवलयां परखीकृतसागरां
स वेलावप्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागरां सवेलाप्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागरां सवेलाप्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागराम्
अनन्यशासनामुर्वीं शशासैकपुरीमिव
अनन्यशासनामुर्वीं शशासैकपुरीमिव अनन्यशासनामुर्वीं शशासैकपुरीमिव सह वेला अप्रवलयां
ஒரே சப்தம் அது
वेलावप्रवलयां परिखीकृत सागरां अनन्यशासनाम् उर्वीं शशासैकपुरी शशास एकपुरी एकपुरीम् इव परिखीकृत शशास परिखीकृत शशास
இல்ல பரிக்கீகிருத அப்படிங்கிறது கிடையாது. பரிக்கீகிருத சாகரம் இஸ் one word.
One word. Okay. Shashasa.
Shashasa means shasanam akarot. He ruled. Okay.
Ruled. Kim
कः
शशास सः शशास कम किम
कम्मु किम இல்லன்னா
ஓ கா ஊர் கா
காமதா இருக்கும்.
கா शशास काम शशास उर्वीं शशास
उर्वी कथं भूतामुर्वीं
परिखीकृतसागरा
and
एकपुरीं
that is afterwards. वेलावप्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागराम् अनन्यशासनाम् उर्वीं कामिव शशास एकपुरीमिव शशास.
वेलावप्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागराम् अनन्यशासनाम् उर्वीं एकपुरीमिव सः शशास.
So வேலா வப்ரவலயா. So வப்ரவலயः அப்படின்னா வப்ரவலயः நாம பிராகார. So there are boundary walls. If there is a fort, there will be boundary walls, இல்லையா? So those are vapravalayas. Okay. What are the vapravalayas for the earth? For the earth that he was actually administering was velaha. Velaha means the boundaries or the seashores. Seashores themselves were the fort boundaries. Okay. Then Parikhikrita Sagaram. So Parikhaha. What are Parikhaha? Parikhaha, if you have ever seen any fort, have you seen any fort?
Hyderabad Golconda Fort.
Adi Patrikya. Okay. Then Brihadishwaralayam Patrikya. Have you seen Brihadishwaralaya? Tanjavur.
Chinna vayasla
Okay. So if you see any fort, so have you seen Bahubali? Bahubali Patrikya. So whenever there is a fort, there will be a layer, a first layer of something called as parikha. So you have water body. So the earth is dug and it is filled with water, and in that water you have crocodiles. So that is one way of that is one layer of security. You have this parikha in Brihadishwaralayam also. It may not be so evident now, but you have a parikha over there. Even if you see in the Katpadi, Vellore fort, there also you have this very much evidently, we can see that. And in Gwalior fort, you can see that. So, forts which are not on mountains, but which are on plains, have this trenches. They are even called as trenches. Okay. So trenches are called as parikhaha. So if what were the parikhas for the land that he was actually administering was the sagara, the oceans themselves were parikhas. Parikhikrita sagaram. So the parikhikrita sagaraha parikhikritaha. So the oceans were converted into trenches, or they were considered to be trenches for what? Urvi, the land. And it was Ananya Shasana. So Ananya Shasana, there is no other ruler other than Dilipa. Ananya Shasana Urvim, Tadrishim, Urvim Nama Bhumim, Ekapurim Iva Shashasa. He ruled it as if the whole earth or the whole land. Urvi means even land, okay? The whole land was one, city or, something like that. Just like one city, he has been ruling. So the city, definitely every city will have a boundary wall. It will have trenches beyond it, and it will have a ruler. So this one city is the whole land that is there. The border, the boundary walls were the seashores themselves. The sea or the oceans were themselves the trenches, and it was only ruled by one king. And it was all ruled as if it was only one city, the whole land. So this is in a way to actually showcase the power or the reach or the land that he actually rules. Essentially saying that he rules the whole world itself.
Saha Dakaranta Pumlinga Tatsadasya Prathama Bhakti Ekvachanantam Rupa Velava Pravalayam Akaranta Strilinga Velava Pravalaya Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Parikhikrita Sagaram Akaranta Strilinga Parikhikrita Akaranta Strilinga Parikhikrita Sagara Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Ananya अनन्य शासनाम आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग अनन्य शासना शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम उर्वीम ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग उर्वी शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम शशास
इट इज शास धातु
शास धातोः
शास अनुशिष्टौ एक 1 सेकंड लेट्स सी शासु अनुशिष्ट शासु अनुशिष्टौ या शास अनुशिष्टौ
धातोः शशास
लिटि लिटि
लिटि प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनान्तं रूपम एकपुरीम ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग एकपुरी शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम इव अव्ययपदम्.
So here vela vapravalaya. Vaprasya valayaha vapravalayaha. Okay. Velaha eva vapravalayaha vela vapravalaya. What is this? Sambhavana purvapada karmadharya.
संभावना पूर्वक
परिखीकृत सागराम अपरिखाः परिखीकृताः परिखाः संपद्यमानाः परिखीकृताः. So this is one thing called as abhuta tadbhava. So which is not actually a parikha, you are considering it to be a parikha.
parikha
aparikhaः परिखाः संपद्यमानाः परिखीकृताः परिखीकृताः सागराः यस्याः सा परिखीकृत सागरा ताम परिखीकृत बहुव्रीहि. अनन्य शासनाम अविद्यमानम् अन्यस्य शासनम् यस्मिन् यस्यां सा अनन्य शासन अविद्यमानम् अन्यस्य शासनम् यस्यां सा एका चासौ पुरी च एकपुरी. It is a कर्मधारय. Recite this shloka.
सवेलाव प्रवलयां परिखीकृतसागराम् अनन्यशासनामुर्वीं शशासैकपुरीमिव.
We'll stop here for today.
जी எனக்கு ஒரே டவுட் இருக்கு நேத்தோட இதுல.
Just a second. I'll just stop this.